Hello YouTubers, today I have two iPhone 6 Pluses here. These ones have touch disease. This one actually works, has no problems. I haven't had it glitch up yet. This one, on the other hand, I had the original screen on there, and I actually had the battery plugged in, the original battery that was in there, and it really wouldn't boot up, so it's taking forever. So I just put another battery in it to boot it up. This is the aftermarket screen that was put on it. So if we go to try to boot this up here, prompt it to boot. See, it's booting. If I press down on it, no glitching, which is pretty strange. So I wonder if this actually screen works. So no glitching. Alright, yeah, I don't got the home button hooked up, but yeah, I'm gonna disconnect the battery. I'm gonna put original Apple screen on it. People may be coming to issue with that, thinking it's a bad screen, and it's not a bad screen. We'll know after we get done replacing this one. Plug the battery in. And that's why the person decided to replace the screen with another one aftermarket. But you get no response out of this one whatsoever for glitching up, like the touch disease, the bars, or the flickering. That's usually the sign, like it's flickering right there, as you can see. See how the whole screen is flickering? So there we go, we got the flickering. I'm going to press down by the touch IC area. What do you know? See, it's just glitching out. See, we can't shut it off or nothing. So we're getting no response out of it. But you can see it flicker. So yeah, that's the touch disease. We're gonna take that chip off and run the jumper. There we go. We just need a little bit, little drop. Alright, so we got the UV curing light. We're going to place that on there. Let that sit there for a second. Get that aligned good. Grab some of our dried out crusty paste. It's going to heat it up a little bit, get a little softer. And you can see it's dry. Look like all even balls. Decent amount of flux, not too much, just a little bit. Got a couple flakes of solder on there. That's crazy. So let's place the chip on there. Alright, we got it in there, in place. Got it heated up on there. Now we're just going to come in. I'm going to add a little bit more flux down. So the chip could jiggle in place. Turn my air up. Alright, that should be good. So we're going to grab the housing here. I'm going to use a different battery that is charged. I remember when I was pressing over here on top of the board over there underneath the audio IC, it was glitching out on this screen. Wouldn't glitch out on a bootleg screen, but it would actually glitch out on an Apple OEM screen. Which that could throw somebody off too if they're just replacing the screen and they're like, oh well, dang, I ain't even got no type of touch now. And you know, they could return the screen and stuff. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So just a little rundown of what we did. We just took the phone apart. We took the Mason chip off and we ran a jumper wire to the M1 pad. And by running to the M1 jumper, we used some UV curing mask. And we put that on there, the UV light curing it and holding it in its place so it won't move when we put the chip back on there. We reballed the Mason chip and we placed it on there, and now the customer has a working phone with touch. We swapped over this other screen. This screen, I put this screen on the one that they had on here originally because they replaced this. This is their original screen. They swapped over thinking it needed the new screen. Well, this screen is no good. It's really bad quality or just a manufacturer defect screen. So, hope you guys liked the video. If you guys get a chance, give this a thumbs up. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. And as always, thanks for watching.